What is up, you guys? Today I am with Diana. You're taking over my channel now. At this point is a collaboration. He's shining. Look at you. Look at you. Ah! The shorts are
out. You can't show that. It's gonna be cut. I always see that, and it appears in the video. I'm gonna make sure this is gonna be cut.
What? Are you gonna edit the video?
Yes, I am. I'll learn the technique.
Why? But what is just your legs?
No, because.
What do you mean it's just your legs?
Okay, guys. So we'll come back when Mara, the eyelash tech, comes in. She doesn't know what filming.
Oh my god, she doesn't know.
This is so.
Well, her thing, her Snap, not Snap. Her Instagram is gonna be down there,
and her LinkedIn as well. And
we don't have LinkedIn, guys. Conscious.
Her name is.
My name? No, you don't need to know my name. There's no LinkedIn name. What is that? What is LinkedIn?
And we post daily, and we tag you. So if you guys want to have like a little like.
Yeah, tag you.
Tag us. We have
tag someone.
If you're the someone that I tagged.
Guys, I'm not involved. I'm not the one's manager no more.
No, the managers are there for the down and the ups of the person. What do you mean?
Manager.
So you're not gonna be there in my worst times. No. You're the manager. I pay you.
Yeah, where's the money? Tell her to show you the money.
It's in America, and they need to transfer it to me. You know what, guys? I'll see you when the technician is here. Bye.
2,000 years later.
Oh my god! Look at her! Ooh, yeah! I missed you too! Group hug. So Mara, the lash tech, is here. We're gonna have her socials down there. So after you see her work, you can holler her up. Obviously. She charges 500. 500. Jesus, 500.
And it's on discount.
Yeah, because usually how much is it?
You know, it's 1,000.
1,000.
Oh, 1,000.
1,000.
Because I come to your house. I come to your house.
Yeah, mobile.
She's mobile.
Yeah, you know.
You used to live here?
12 years.
Did you?
All my childhood is here, and then she moved in.
Yeah, man.
Why are you guys trying to lie to me?
No, it's true.
It's true.
You used to live in this house?
Yeah.
We have pictures.
And my primary school is that one over there. It's true.
I don't feel like you guys trying to lie to me.
It's
We
true.
have pictures. Why do you think we're lying?
Pictures that you probably just took.
Look, this part is here.
Is it like the entrance?
It's there, yeah. And look, this is her room, and that's my room now.
Oh.
She used to live here.
Oh my god, you need to send me those pictures. they're like on my other phone, and until this day I wasn't able to like turn it on.
Let me show you the whole Mara, you know, the pretty Mara, and then thick Mara. Welcome. This is thick Mara. Welcome.
What's your shop called?
There's no name. Just call Mara.
Just call Mara.
And then I'm here.
Just hit her line.
I'm here. Hello?
I'm Mara.
I mean, I don't want you to break your neck. You need your neck for the rest of the day.
Let's see, like, if it's comfortable or not.
If it's not comfortable, please call the police.
Yeah, come on, Mara, you know. Go on.
Okay. Hi, guys.
Make sure you rip out the ones that they already put in.
Yeah, I feel like
man, because they're coming off.
they are.
Yeah. I only have like 4 strands.
This one will fuck you up, bro. Stop me. Okay.
Mara, you're not grabbing my lashes.
Guys, we're here at bowling. We got in, and then we're number 9, the date of my birth. And then look at that.
Who's gonna get tired? Why is it not tired?
Bitch, how are you feeling?
Me complaining already.
She's never played bowling before. Guys, I just realized we're so shit. Yes, we are. No, but imagine we start getting all of them now.
Nah, like better.
I'm hungry.
It was a pleasure to play this shooting. But guess who won?
I was winning and then she started complaining, so I lost. But I'll take the L home. I'll take, actually, I didn't lose. I'll take my 83. I'll take my 83 home.
It was 1 point. 1 point. Shush. Look. It was a pleasure. Good game.
Diana actually won.
And I broke my nail playing this.
Good game,
Oh, yeah,
girl.
show your game. Yo, good game.
Good game.
Yeah, good game.
Good game.
You did good. And I lost a nail. I can go over there and I'll still find the nail.
Glue it. Hi guys, so we're here at McDonald's. Diana went PP for a bit. We got hungry after this, innit?
Yeah, we did after broken a nail.
This thing was so nice.
It was. I loved it. I love that. You know, I'm a bit shiny in that, but yeah, I love my date.
It's okay.
My triple date. We came on a triple.
Oh yeah, we came in a 3-month date. It's okay. It's okay. What did you order?
I don't know. I basically wasn't eating the whole menu.
Ay, Mara.
I didn't eat breakfast.
Oh, me neither.
I can't eat breakfast anyways. It's stressing my belly out.
Guys, we got food.
Yes, sir.
Hi guys, so I'm here at Diana's house. I'm alone right now. Pardon me. We're gonna watch a movie together, all of us three. So they went to find popcorn, and yeah, so we can like sit here and then eat popcorn and watch the film, and then me and Mara will be going home. I stayed because I don't feel really well. I feel very, very, very weak. So before I faint in the streets, I'm just staying here. But yeah, so I'll be back when these girls finally find the popcorn. Guys, we finished watching the film and it was scary.
It was so scary. I'm not watching the horror movie again.
Mara. No,
I'm petrified after today.
Fam, you should see a reflex. Basically, I had a pillow, yeah? This is me. Mara, she had this blanket, yeah? All I can see, because I was turned to look at her, she was like, I was like, wow, this girl.
Oh my god.
We gave up on eating and drinking.
No.
There was no time to drink.
We were eating and then all of a sudden everyone just stopped. And then not munching nothing.
There was no time to drink.
Mara, thanks God that it's still like light to go home.
No, this is not my nail.
That was light. Imagine.
Fucking hell. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Go and follow Diana, I'll leave it down below, and Margarita, the lash tech as well, and see you for the next one. Guys, say bye.
Bye.
Bye.